In the heart of a windy little town called Burnt Oak, where the trees whispered secrets and the clouds looked like animals floating by, lived two wonderfully curious siblings, Franklin and Amelia. Franklin was 7 years old and loved building things, forts, puzzles, and especially towering sandwich stacks. He wore an apron that read, "Super Chef in Training." His little sister, Amelia, was 5, always full of sparkle and surprise. Her favorite thing was mixing anything, and she wore a chef's hat so big it wobbled when she walked. It was a dreary, drizzly Saturday morning in Burnt Oak. The rain thudded softly on the windows, the wind made the trees sway, and Franklin flopped dramatically onto the couch. No scooter rides. No playground. No adventure, he moaned. Even my crayons are bored, sighed Amelia, dangling one from her pinky. That's when Mum burst in, holding a wooden spoon like a magic wand. "Kids," she said with a grin, "who says adventure needs sunshine? Today, we're going on a great cooking adventure, right in our kitchen." "Cooking?" asked Franklin, sitting up. "Like real food?" "With spatulas and sizzle and everything," gasped Amelia. "Exactly," said Mum. "But first, you must each earn your chef's adventure badge. Only chefs with bravery, helpful hands, listening ears, and a dash of silliness may join." "I have silliness," shouted Amelia, spinning in circles until her hat fell off. "Do pancakes count as bravery?" Franklin asked, pulling out his apron. Mum winked. "Let's find out." Mum opened the Magic Family Recipe book and flipped to the page titled, "Glowing Star Burnt Oak's Best Banana Pancakes, Glowing Star." The kids read the ingredients like a treasure map: 2 ripe bananas, super squishy. 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, a splash of milk, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a tiny scoop of teamwork. Franklin took charge of mashing the bananas. He squashed and squished like a banana monster. "Grah! Bananas beware," he roared. Amelia cracked the eggs. The first one made it into the bowl. The second one landed on her shoe. "Oopsie," she said cheerfully. "That egg had slippery feet." "No problem," said Mum. "Even the best chefs drop a few eggs." So they wiped it up and continued mixing. Flour floated through the air like magical kitchen snow. "Stir, stir, stir," Amelia sang, spinning the spoon. "Flip it like a pancake pirate," shouted Franklin, holding the spatula like a sword. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.